Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get under Lookout Landing. First, you'll want to head directly south from the main area of Lookout Landing. Look for the massive chasm that opens up into the ground. This is your primary entry point to the vast underground world. Prepare yourself for a significant descent, as the journey downwards is quite extensive. Make sure you have adequate light sources and supplies ready before you jump in. Once you've made the initial plunge, your first priority should be to activate the light route in the immediate vicinity. This crucial action will brighten the dark environment considerably and update your map, making navigation much easier. The underground is expansive and often disorienting, so having a clear view and a functional map is absolutely essential for finding your way. Take a moment to orient yourself before proceeding deeper into the unknown. As you continue your journey, head generally eastward from the first light route. Be extremely cautious of the dangerous gloom that covers many areas of the ground. Stepping on it will deplete your health. Utilize your abilities to cross gaps or elevate yourself over these hazardous zones. There are often multiple routes, but sticking to the clearer paths will minimize risks and help you conserve your resources for upcoming challenges. After navigating through the initial tunnels and avoiding the various dangers, you will arrive at a vast, open chamber situated directly beneath Lookout Landing. This central hub offers several branching paths leading to different parts of the depths. Take your time to explore this area thoroughly, as it often contains valuable resources and hidden secrets. Remember to activate any additional light routes you encounter to further expand your illuminated map.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.